Track number 2A. In this track, recording has been done from page number 47 to page number 55. It covers recording of section B, writing skills. A. Short compositions. 1. Advertisement. Introduction. Advertising is a type of communication whereby people promote or persuade customers to utilize their services. It is made through a popular medium like newspapers, magazines, televisions, radio and cinema. Its purpose is to attract immediate attention of the public. It is a very effective tool for promoting sales or services. It is used to influence the minds, taste and even motives of the public. There are two types of advertisements: A. Classified advertisements, B. Display advertisements. Classified advertisements are called classified advertisements because they are classified into different types of categories depending on their functions. Classified advertisements are used by the general masses to promote or use services. They are generally text-based advertisements where newspapers agencies generally charge on the number of words used. So, there is no place for precise English sentences here, and the only concern is to get things noticed with as minimum words as possible. Display advertisements are given to attract the immediate attention of a large number of readers. The same purpose implies here like classified advertisements. Government and NGOs also give such advertisements in the newspapers for general information or public awakening. How to draft an advertisement? विज्ञापन कैसे लिखें? Drafting an advertisement plays an important role to promote one's business and services. Business advertisements should be drafted, designed and laid out in an artistic manner so that the readers may get tempted and purchase the products. The following points should be kept in mind while drafting a business advertisement. 1. It should be simple and to the point. 2. It should not be lengthy. 3. Always use a catchy, simple and impressive language. 4. It should be sensibly highlighted and important to state the facts. 5. The name of the advertisers and of the advertised products should be given in bold or capital letters. 6. The matter should match the mood and style of the advertisement. Some examples to draft an advertisement. A. Classified advertisement. 1. Situation vacant. 1. You are Vikas or Sanjana, an electronics engineer who has recently returned from the US and looking for a suitable job in the IT industry. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words for the situations wanted column of a national newspaper. Your contact number is 91930 10203. Answer: situation vacant. A highly qualified and experienced electronics engineer of 15 years standing is looking for a suitable job in the IT industry of a good repute. He has both academic as well as practical knowledge in the varied fields of electronics. Concerned industries can avail of his best services and give a boost to their industries in order to improve their financial as well as technical setups. Remuneration and other terms are negotiable with Vikas Sanjana. Contact on 91930 10203. Second, you are going abroad. You want to sell your house built 3 years ago. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words giving all the necessary details of the house and its locality. Contact number dash. Answer: house for sale. Available for sale. A newly built house in about 200 feet square meter only 3 years ago situated in the prime location of Dwarka near educational institutions and metro station. It is well furnished and free from all kinds of debts. As the party is going abroad, the interested buyers can contact on 222 or see personally to Vijay Singh, 29 Dwarka, Sector 5, New Delhi, price negotiable. Third, Principal, Sunrise Public School, Raipur requires a receptionist for her school. Draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words to be published in the classified columns of a national newspaper, giving the necessary details of qualifications and experience required for the receptionist. Answer: situation vacant. Wanted receptionist for a reputed school in Raipur. Applicant should be a graduate, must have good communication skills and command over spoken English, and possess pleasing personality. Interested female candidates between the age group of 20 to 25 years may send resume with latest passport photograph, administrative office, Sunrise Public School, within 7 days of publication of this advertisement. Experienced candidates in CG will be given preference. Salary and other allowances are negotiable. 4. You are Vikas Sharma of Bilaspur. You want an English tutor for your daughter. Write out an advertisement to be published in the classified columns of a local newspaper. Answer: wanted an English tutor for a girl of class 12th. Only ladies with a minimum experience of teaching 10 plus 2 classes for 5 years will be considered. Emoluments: travelling expenses plus 4,500 to 5,000 per month. Contact Vikas Sharma, 120L, Civil Lines, Bilaspur. Phone 22346668. 5. You are General Manager, Hotel Dosa, Jagdalpur. You need a lady front office assistant with sound knowledge of computer. She must be graduate and good in communication skills with pleasing manners. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in Jagdalpur Times. Answer: situation vacant. Wanted a lady front office assistant for Hotel Dosa, Jagdalpur. A young and outgoing personality with pleasing manner, a graduate with good communication skills, sound knowledge of computer essential, emoluments best in the hospitable industry. Contact the general manager within a week with all the necessary documents. Hotel Dosa, Sohna Road, Jagdalpur. Mobile number 9482815762. 6th, you are a general manager of Green Bioproducts Limited, Sector 18, Industrial Area, Korba. You need an efficient PA or stenographer for your office. Write an advertisement for the situation vacant column of a local daily. Answer: situation vacant. Wanted a smart, efficient PA or stenographer for a leading manufacturing company. Qualifications: graduate, age 25 to 30 years. Typing speed 60 words per minute. Shorthand 120 words per minute. Preference to those who can handle computers. Salary negotiable. Apply with complete biodata within 10 days to General Manager, Green Bioproducts Limited, Industrial Area, Korba. 7. You need 2 lady checkers for Vikas Exports, Virat Nagar, Raipur, 700085. Write an advertisement to be published in the situation vacant column of the Times of India, Raipur. Answer: situation vacant. Wanted 2 smart, impressive young lady checkers for a renowned export house based in Raipur. Fresh graduates with good communication skills can apply. Attractive salary besides other benefits Apply to manager HRD, Vikas Exports, Virat Nagar 700085 up to 15th November. 8. You are the managing director of Akash Enterprises, a leading garments export house. You need accountant for your Bilaspur 25 office. Write an advertisement for the situation vacant column of a local daily. Answer: accountant wanted. Wanted competent and experienced accountant capable of handling accounts independently. Commerce graduates having at least 5 years experience in a reputed firm will be preferred. Salary and perks according to the efficiency and performance of the candidate. Apply in confidence to Assistant Manager HRD Akash Enterprises, Bilaspur 25 up to 25th March. 9. You are the General Manager of Herbal India Limited. Draft an advertisement for your company for the post of 2 sales executive. Specify your requirements, qualifications, experience and personality of the candidates. Answer: situation vacant. Wanted 2 young and dynamic sales executives for our marketing division. Minimum qualifications: M Pharma, work experience of at least 5 years, proficiency in English, impressive personality and ready to travel, good salary and other perks. Apply in confidence with complete biodata till 15th March 2000 dash. To the General Manager, Herbal India 6B/247, Ashok Vihar, Raipur 110070. 10. You are the manager of Global Industries, Delhi Road, Agra. You need 2 typists for your office. Write an advertisement for the situation vacant column of a local newspaper. Answer: situation vacant. Wanted 2 typists, either sex, for our Agra office. Candidates should be graduates and well versed in English. Salary according to qualifications and experience. Apply in person within a week. Global Industries, Delhi Road, Agra. Practice exercise. 1. You are the general manager of a leading industrial group. You need a lady receptionist capable of handling the large EPABX. Computer literate graduates, fluency in English, pleasing personality preferable. Write out an advertisement for publication in a newspaper. Second, Deepak Financial Services Limited, 91 Nehru Place, Raipur, requires a company secretary for its corporate office urgently. Write out an advertisement for a walk-in interview to be published in the classified columns of a local newspaper. Third, you are Arvind of Bastar. You want a teacher of Kathak for your younger sister. Write out an advertisement to be published in the classified columns of a local newspaper. Fourth, you are the medical superintendent of Jyoti Hospital, Raipur. Give a suitable advertisement for 2 staff nurses in the situation vacant column of the Times of India, Raipur. Word limit 50 words. 5. You are the general manager of Prime Software Solutions, Jagdalpur. You need faculty members for your center with the knowledge of e-commerce. Draft an advertisement to be published in the Times of India under classified columns. Word limit 50 words. 6. You are the general manager of Brakes and Brakes India Limited. You want to appoint 2 sales representatives for your company. Give an advertisement to be published in the classified columns of a local daily. Word limit 50 words. 7. You are the general manager of a leading industrial concern. You need a company secretary for your office. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the Times of India, Raipur under the classified columns. Second, situation wanted. 1. You are Mohan Kumar or Rashmi Sharma, a leading lawyer practicing in Ambikapur. You want to buy an independent house at City Light Road to be used as office cum residence. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words for the classified columns of a local newspaper. You can be contacted at 45645678. Answer: a leader lawyer of High Court is in need of a suitable house which can be used both office cum residence. The building should be well furnished with separate kitchen, both and lobby along with 5 sets of spacious rooms. It should be near the city light of Ambikapur, having adequate parking facilities. Posh area of the market will be preferred. Please contact Mohan Kumar or Rashmi Sharma or ring 45645678. Second, you are Vijay or Sonakshi, an honors graduate in history with specialization in medieval India. You are well acquainted with places of historical interest in Delhi, Agra, and Jaipur. You are looking for the job of tourist guide. Write an advertisement in about 50 words for the situations wanted column of a local newspaper. Your contact number is 99951234. Answer: situation wanted. Situation wanted for a qualified tourist guide. Honors graduate in history from Delhi University with specialization in medieval India. Diploma in travel and tourism from YMCA Delhi. Good knowledge of sites of historical interest in Agra, Jaipur, and Delhi. Fluent in English and Hindi. Age 27 years. 2 years of experience with Delhi tourism. Interested employers, please contact at 99951234. Third, you are Shirish Saxena of 47 Mall Road, Shimla. You are a young man of 35 with 7 years of experience as an expert executive. You seek an immediate change to some prestigious export house in Mumbai or Bangalore. Draft a suitable advertisement for the situation wanted column of a national daily. Answer: situation wanted. A highly experienced young export executive in top export house needs change to some prestigious export house in Mumbai or Bangalore. Familiar with e-commerce, marketing, administration, advance license, etc. Minimum salary expected rupees 35,000 plus perks. Please write to Shirish Saxena, 47 The Mall, Shimla, telephone 0177 2437195. 4. You are Ravi Verma of 257 Moti Nagar, New Delhi. You have just passed BE Electrical in first division from a prestigious engineering college. You are in need of a job in or around Delhi. Write an advertisement for the situation wanted column of the Times of India. Answer: situation wanted. A first class BE Electrical from IIT Delhi seeks a job in or around Delhi, at present working with a private firm in Jaipur. Salary expected 12,000. Please contact Ravi Verma, 257 Moti Nagar, New Delhi 110039, phone 25278431. Practice exercise 1. You are an athletics coach just returned from the USA. You require a job. You are XYZ. Your phone number is 678-6232 Mohali. Write out an advertisement for a newspaper. Second, you are living in Agra and have a good knowledge of all the historical places around there. Write a suitable advertisement for a newspaper offering your services as a tourist guide during the coming summer vacation. Third, draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words for a newspaper, inviting applications for the post of a clerk in your office. Say that the criterion will be the efficiency rather than the previous experience. Third, educational. 1. You are the secretary of the Indian Institute of Foreign Languages, Hyderabad. Draft a suitable advertisement to be published in a newspaper announcing the commencement of new courses. Answer: Educational. IIFL announces the start of its short-term courses in French, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, etc. Duration 6 months. Eligibility: senior secondary excellent faculty, computerized training, incentives for early birds, 10% seats free. Send in your application by the 16th May 2000 or contact secretary, phone 24236709. Second, you are the director of National Institute of Vocational Studies, New Delhi. Draft a suitable advertisement for publication in a national daily highlighting some of the special features of your institute. Answer: Vocational Studies. NIVS offers diploma courses in electronics, laser technology, computer and television hardware or software, fashion designing, etc. Duration 2 years. Eligibility: senior secondary excellent faculty, well furnished labs and workshops. 1 year training, excellent past record of placement, quarterly fee rupees 1500. Last date of application 30th May 2000 Director, National Institute of Vocational Studies, 27 Pusa Road, New Delhi 25374098. Third, you are the Secretary of Institute of Career Guidance, Sector 15, Gurgaon, specializing in career guidance and counseling. Draft a suitable advertisement to be published in a daily newspaper. Answer: Career Counseling. Institute for Career Guidance, Counseling and Development of Personality holding summer camps from 1st May. Facilities for games, group discussions, personality development packets, elocution, interviews and histrionics. Training by panel of experts, career oriented, may apply by 20th April. Contact Secretary, Institute for Career Guidance, Sector 15, Gurgaon, telephone 2630-0636. 4. You are the Director of Coaching Academy. Write an advertisement for publication in newspaper for admission to the various courses being provided in your institute. Answer: Educational. Apex Business Management Institute offers 1-year diploma courses in computer programming and business management. Eligibility: senior secondary, batches of 20, subdivided into 4 groups for practical training or field work, excellent faculty, fee rupees 20,000 payable quarterly. Last date for submitting applications 25th June. Contact Director, ABMI or phone 262-59801. Practical exercise 1. As the Director of Rising Star Orientations, a leading name in postal coaching for IIT JEE and CBSE PMT in India, write an advertisement for publication in a newspaper for the benefit of students aspiring for admission in prestigious engineering and medical colleges. Second, as the Managing Director of a bureau providing tutors for home tuition, write out an advertisement to be published in the classified columns of a newspaper. Third, Ms. Kalpana, telephone 25067-067, has decided to start beauty care and hobby classes at her residence 476 Ashok Vihar, New Delhi. Draft a classified advertisement for publication in a national daily. 4. You are the Secretary of Star Vision Acting and Modeling Institute, Central Market, Kolkata. Write out a suitable advertisement giving details of the diploma or certificate courses offered by you. 4. Matrimonials. 1. Write out a matrimonial advertisement for publication in a newspaper for a suitable match for your brother using the information given below in the verbal input. Smart, handsome, slim, Agarwal boy, 25 years, 5 foot 6 inches height, convent educated, parents having business in Mumbai, preferably business background, early and decent marriage. Answer: wanted a suitable match for a cultured, fair complexion, smart, handsome, and slim Bombay based Agarwal boy. He is creative, caring, convent educated, B. Arc, 25 age, height 5 foot 6 inches, parents having business in Mumbai and overseas, preferably having a professional qualification and business background, early and decent marriage. Please write to Box 2758, Times of India, New Delhi 110002. Second, a very high status professionals and IIT educated 28 years old NRI settled in London seeks alliance with an exceptionally handsome, educated and cultured boy. Prepare a matrimonial advertisement. Answer: a beautiful, tall and cultured 28 years old IITian, managing director of a reputed firm based in London, seeks alliance with an exceptionally handsome, highly educated and cultured boy between 28 and 35 years of age. Height 5 foot 3 to 5 foot 7. Caste no bar. Reply in confidence with all details and the latest color photograph to box number 4378, Times of India, Mumbai 400001. Practice exercise 1. Your younger sister is the holder of PGDBM from Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore, and working in a multinational firm in Kochi. She seeks an alliance with an exceptionally handsome, educated and cultured boy. Write a suitable matrimonial advertisement for him for publication in the Times of India. Second, your daughter Aruna Rao is 21 years old. She is 160 centimeter, fair complexioned and a regular trained graduate teacher in a government school. Write a suitable matrimonial advertisement for her to be published in the Indian Express, Bengaluru. 5. Lost and found. 1. You are Prem or Pramila of 202 Lakshmi Nagar, New Delhi. You lost your briefcase while travelling by bus from Lakshmi Nagar to Connaught Palace, New Delhi. The briefcase contains some valuable documents including your board certificate for All India Secondary School Examination. Draft a notification in not more than 50 words to be published in the Indian Express under their column Lost and Found. Include all necessary details about the lost briefcase to establish your claim. Answer: lost and found. I lost my brown VIP Classic brand briefcase with Prem written near the handle while travelling by DTC bus route number 89 from Lakshmi Nagar to Connaught Palace. It contains some valuable documents. Finder will be suitably rewarded. Contact Prashant 202 Lakshmi Nagar, New Delhi or phone 271-90048. Second, you have lost your purse. Draft an advertisement suitable to be given in the local daily. Invent details. Your advertisement should not exceed 50 words. Answer: lost and found. Lost black leather purse in DTC bus route number 320 while travelling between Lucknow Road and Red Fort. Beside cash, it contains some very important bills and receipts. Finder will be suitably rewarded. Please contact Vijay Sharma, B67, Lucknow Road, New Delhi or phone 27618456. 3. You have found a briefcase while travelling by the AP Express. Write a suitable advertisement for the lost and found column of the National Daily. State the details required for your satisfaction. Word limit 50. Answer: lost and found. Found last Monday a black VIP briefcase while travelling to Delhi by the AP Express. It will be handed over to the rightful owner after ascertaining the particulars, identification and content. Please contact A. Vashishta, 237 House Khas Enclave, New Delhi or phone 26572034. 4. You have lost library book issued in your name while returning home by a local bus. Write an advertisement fit for the lost and found column of local daily giving the particulars of the book. Answer: lost and found. Lost Business Mathematics written by S. Chan issued from the school library. It bears a stamp of Ramjas Senior Secondary School number 1 Daryaganj, New Delhi. It was probably lost in a CNG bus route number 47. Finder will be suitably rewarded. Please contact Vikram Seth 2 by 37 L Raja Garden, New Delhi 110032. Practice exercise 1. You have lost your wristwatch in a public park. Write a suitable advertisement for the lost and found column of a local daily. Second, Shamsundar has lost his mark sheet and certificates of AISSE while travelling by EMU from New Delhi to Faridabad. Write an advertisement for the lost and found column of a national daily. Word limit 50 words. 3. You have lost your briefcase containing some important documents. Write an advertisement in about 50 words for insertion in a local daily. Give details of the briefcase and your contact address. 4. You have found some documents in a hard plastic cover in the local electric train. Write a suitable advertisement for the lost and found column of a national daily in about 50 words. Specify details needed to make delivery. Sixth, sale or purchase. 1. You possess an acre of land in the heart of the city. You want to dispose of this property since you have decided to buy a flat. Write an advertisement to be published in the National Daily giving all the necessary details. You are Mukesh of Moti Nagar, Raipur. Answer: property for sale. Available for sale an acre of free land in the posh colony of Samachar Apartment, Raipur. It is free from all encumbrances, being quite adjacent to Metro Railway Station, school, main bazaar and the university. The site has got invaluable worth. Interested parties may contact Mukesh of Moti Nagar, Raipur or ring 22289211 in between 10 am to 5 pm. Second, you want to sell off your motorbike which you have been using for 5 years since you have decided to buy a car. Write an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published under the classified columns of a national daily. Furnish all the necessary details. Answer: sale, sale, sale. Available for sale a black colored Hero Honda motorbike which has hardly run 2500 km. It is in the best condition and looks quite new. The bike is being plied for the last 5 years, but it needs no immediate expenses to be met out. Since the owner has decided to purchase a car due to enhancement of his business, so he is selling it at a very reasonable price. For immediate inquiry, contact Mahesh of 10 Janpath, New Delhi or ring 098135 21111. Third, you want to purchase a second-hand Hero Honda motorbike. Draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words for publication in a local daily. Answer: for purchase. Wanted a second-hand Hero Honda motorcycle 1999 or 2000 model in excellent running condition. Average around 40 km per liter. Complete documents. Tax paid. Price not to exceed Rs 26,000. Interested parties to contact S.K. Sharma, 30C, Janakpuri, New Delhi. Phone 25763434. 4. You want to sell a pair of hybrid milch cows. Draft an advertisement giving suitable details to be published in the column of daily newspaper. Answer: for sale, livestock. Available for immediate sale a pair of hybrid milch cows 5 years old, daily yield 25 to 30 liters, vaccinated, perfectly healthy, daily fodder requirement 15 to 20 kg. Price negotiable. Contact Paramjit Singh, 235 Amritsar, or call on phone 0184 2272 8879. 5. You are an industrialist interested in an independent guest house in a very good locality in your city. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words to be published in a local daily. Answer: for purchase, property. Wanted a spacious and well built house in a very good locality in South Delhi, preferably near the airport. Exquisitely designed, self contained 4 or 5 bedrooms with a drawing or dining room and lounge. Bungalows in Vasant Vihar, South City or DLF Enclave preferred. Interested parties may contact Ramesh Properties or phone 25730 6. You want to sell your typewriter? Write a suitable advertisement in about 50 words to be published in for the for sale column of the local daily. Answer: for sale. For sale 1998 model portable Remington typewriter in excellent working condition, brand new look, expected price around rupees 3000. Interested parties may contact on weekends. R.S. Sethi, 257 Harrison Road, Delhi 110006, telephone 22362368. Practice exercise 1. You are Vikas Sharma. You have been recently transferred to Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, and want to sell certain household goods. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words for the sale and purchase column of a local daily. Second, you are Prem of 105 Rajnagar, Ghaziabad. You want to sell your house. Write a suitable advertisement to be published in the classified columns of a newspaper. Third, as manager of Pehnava, a ready-made garments sale outlet, draft an advertisement for publication in the local dailies offering 20% festival discount on all items. 4. You propose to sell your shop on main road of Kailash Colony, Delhi. Draft an advertisement to be published in the Indian Express under the classified columns. 5. You are Akash or Akanksha of Sitapur, Lucknow. You have got a foreign assignment and would be going abroad soon. You have a television set and refrigerator to sell. Draft a suitable advertisement to be published in the classified columns of the Hindustan Times, Delhi. 7th, to let. 1. You would like to let out portion of your independent house for office use. Write an advertisement for the classified columns of the local newspaper giving all the necessary details. Write the advertisement in not more than 50 words. Answer: do let. Available on rent basis, a well furnished independent house for office purpose. It has 2 storerooms, a small kitchen to be used as a canteen, a big spacious hall and a separate bathroom. Garage and a servant quarter is also there in a corner. It is 2-sided, open near the market and faces the MCD park. Expected rent rupees 15,000 per month. Please ring 93959 26780 or C. Vijay, 821 Vasant Kunj, New Delhi. Second, you have a 3-bedroom flat in Dwarka which you want to let out on rent. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the Times of India under classified columns. Contact 27589022. To let. A 3-bedroom flat in Dwarka is available on rent. A drawing cum dining room, balconies on either side, separate bathroom and large kitchen with car parking facilities, round the clock water and electricity supply. Rent expected rupees 15,000 per month. Only bank officers or central government or gazetted officers need. Nearest metro stations just 500 meters away. Contact Mr. R.K. Verma on 27589 in between 4 pm to 7 pm on Sunday. 3. You want to hire accommodation for your newly started business in ready-made garments in Chennai. Write out an advertisement for the same to be published in the classified columns of the Hindustan Times. Or you are a businessman who wants to set up a small garment shop in your city. Draft an advertisement seeking a suitable space for rent to be published in the accommodation wanted column for the local newspaper. Write the advertisement in not more than 50 words. Answer: accommodation wanted. Wanted on rent a showroom with carpet area of 1500 square feet in central Chennai for our newly started Stylo ready-made garments. Ground floor preferred. Interested parties may please contact V. Prakash Rao, 27 Elin Road, Chennai, or phone 2697 8345. Practice exercise 1. You want to let out a flat. Prepare an advertisement to this effect for publication in a newspaper, giving location of the building, nature of accommodation, rent expected, etc. 2. You are the general manager, Coal India Limited, New Delhi. Write an advertisement to be published in a newspaper for a suitable accommodation on rent to be used as a guest house for the company. B. General advertisements or display advertisements. 1. You are the manager of Sankalp Academy. Draft an advertisement to be published in a daily newspaper to attract students of class 10 and 12th for coaching for appearing in board exams. Answer: Sankalp Academy. Cracking the boards is a lot simpler now. All you have to do is to enroll yourself and leave the rest to us. Our highly qualified faculty will do all the hard work to get you phenomenal success in your board exam. We offer student-teacher ratio of 1:10, extra guidance for weak students without any extra cost, rigorous revision sessions, 24/7 guidance by experts, availability of printed material. Hurry! Our next batch begins from June 5, 20 73R, Model Town, Sonpat. Contact 011 2243 754 or 097251 10001 or 098235 42611. Second, you work in a company that sells items for home decoration. Using the information given below, draft an advertisement for publication in national dailies about the annual sale. Hints: annual clearance sale, 60% off household items, offer only for 4 days. Answer: home decor, exclusive annual clearance sale, sale, up to 60% off on exclusive varieties of artifacts, home furnishing, kitchenware, furniture, etc. Hurry, last 3 days left. 25 Main Market, Ajmal Khan Road, Karol Bagh, New Delhi 110001. Phone number 011 2243 7541. No need for an interior designer when you are one. Third, you are the director of IIFL, a prestigious institute offering classes in German, French, and Spanish for students of senior secondary classes. Draft an advertisement inviting applications for your new batch to be starting soon. Give relevant details too. Answer: the Indian Institute of Foreign Languages offer 3 months course from 25th April 2000 special facilities for students of senior secondary class, consolidated fees, concession for students and housewives. Speak with flair like a Spaniard in Spain, like a Frenchman in France, like a German in Germany. Timings flexible, extensive lab work and practical training at D Block, Commercial Complex, DLF, Azad Nagar, Anand Vihar, Lodi Chowk, Faridabad 207102. Mobile 989898 -- Email tiifl_language@gmail.com. 4. You are working for an advertising agency. Draft an attractive advertisement for the company which is launching their new summer range of men's informals. Answer: Weekend dressing up gets trendier with Smart Shopper, an exclusive range of informal wear for men in the coolest brands: trousers, shirts, t-shirts, jeans. Subtle shades available in all sizes. Don't miss our special summer collection: Armani or Levis or Pepe or LK or Lee Cooper or Gucci, all under one roof. Shop number 196, Rivoli Cinema, Connaught Palace, New Delhi. Buy one, get one free on selected items. Practice exercise 1. You are the Dean, Admissions, MNT Professional College, Chandigarh. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words giving information about admission to undergraduate courses offered by your college. Include all relevant details. 2. Messrs. School Vision have produced a new television named Home Theatre. Draft an advertisement for a local daily to promote the sale of the television. Offer a branded wristwatch free along with the television to those who buy it before March 30. This track ends here. Remember